Welcome to ScentFolio, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. Back after the weekend. Now, I just wanted to, I got my hands on Alharamain's Amber Musk, and I just need to talk about this. Look at this beauty. I had a chance to do a full wear of this on Saturday, and just look at the box. This is an amazing stuff that I just really want to just put this out in front of you guys. Oh, Alharamain Amber Musk in Arabic. You got a solid cap. Starting off with this guy, first things first, this is a cologne of Vuittons Ombre Nomade. That is one of the best, and it's an amazing scent. It is an amazing scent. The quality, the scent profile of that thing is just amazing. And Alharamain has done a great job in terms of cloning this, eye to eye. And I mean, overall, I mean, you can't go wrong. It is a success formula here. You can't go wrong with the notes. You can't go wrong with how the scent overall, projects, and how it begins, how it transfers into when it points at a point when it get into the mid-tones, and then how it transfers down to dry down, and whatever, like all the variations that it has. We're going to cover this right today. So starting off with the notes, it is an ambery fragrance. Definitely, it is, it is unisex for men and women both. So starting off with amber, we've got warm spicy. It is warm spicy, and I would say, well, just to define this more while we're going with the notes, it is more of a fall, winter, and spring fragrance, to be honest. I don't see myself carrying. It is dense. It is pretty intense, and it leans towards the dark side. But having said that, it's a beautiful scent, and the way they've done it, I don't think they've left any corner untouched or uncovered. So we've got warm, spicy, rose, excellent quality, balanced rose here. Nothing over rosy, over sweet. Nothing. As I said, unisex scent. So this is one of those scents that is going to balance out both men and women. Musky, definitely. It is a musky fragrance, amber musk. It is woody, definitely on the dry down. It just kills it. It has so much more to offer after like 5 to 6 hours. It is fruity in the mid-tones. Yeah, it is kind of like a tropical, dense fruitiness. Not citrusy, I would say. Not like, out all over the place. Not zingy at all. Aromatic, pretty aromatic, and in the end, the dry down complements with a leather note, which I think is the demand of this fragrance, because to keep that density alive, to keep that more depth alive, I think leather note really complements with the amber, with the muskiness it has. So let's get the notes out of the way. Top notes: amber, musk, agarwood. So it has some oud as well. Middle notes: raspberry, great stuff. Rose, good combo. Birch and saffron. Now, these are the notes you can't go wrong with. It is a success formula already. We've got rose. If you got balanced rose, if you got balanced saffron, if you got balanced oud, amber, you're already there. And then the dry down, it is amberwood, just to make it more woody, geranium, and benzoin. And trust me, if benzoin done good, you're not going nowhere. You're taking this home. Longevity wise, I would say this is a beast. It is, it's not one of those beasts that is going to kill you. you know, but it just sticks on your skin and it remains with you. So it's not loud, intense, you know, giving you headaches and, you know, it's all over you and you're like, you know, feeling heavy-headed. No, it's not. It is pretty basic, but yes, I would do recommend do not overspray this. So maximum I would say is like 4 sprays, maybe 2 on each sides, or maybe, you know, 2 on the sides, 1 on the back, and the 1 just, you know, by your arms, like down here somewhere. But yeah, I mean, you don't need to overspray this anyways. It has that it creates a bubble around you. So the projection I would say is 2 to 3 feet easily, especially in the first 2 to 3 hours. Easily, it stays with you. It sticks on your skin for like easy 10 hours, I would say. I think Alharamain has really did a great job in terms of copying or cloning Louis Vuitton's Ombre Nomade. Ombre Nomade is pretty expensive, and it is pretty, oh well, for all the good reasons. It is pretty dense, pretty, you know, has a character to it, has a lot of twists, a lot of things in it. So I did a full wearing of this on Saturday, and I was loving it, and I got compliments. This is no joke. I got a compliment, not from one, from I think 2 to 3 people, and I met them in different variations of timelines when I was wearing this. So the last compliment I got was like after 10 hours when I you know, went to pick up something from my friend. So yeah, I just wanted to bring this out, guys. This is a winner. This is a winner. This is gonna take you in a different zone. Compliments are gonna follow you. People are gonna ask you, what are you wearing? This is dense for all ages, I would say. But again, for all ages to compliment. But for you to wear, I think this is a mature scent. I think anyone above 25 should be able, or even, yeah, 25 would be a good age to at least value this stuff or recognize what's inside. So yeah, I mean, give it a try, guys. This is amazing stuff. Like, Alharamain is not failing to impress. They're doing a good job in terms of their presentations, in terms of their, you know, clothing stuff. Even they are doing, if they have to do that, I think they're doing a pretty good job that way. The quality is good, man. I like this stuff. Good box, good presentation. You know, giving a cologne, giving a scent a respect and a value is really something remarkable to see, and it feels good. In the end of the day, I mean, this is what our passion is, right? And someone treating it with a respect and doing justice with, even with the price. Like, this is not, so what, 75 Canadian, 80 bucks? Not bad at all. I mean, like, you know, if you have to get the original Nomade, Ombre Nomade, it's like what, 500 plus. So, but anyways, check this out, guys, and let me know what you think about this. Until then, next time, like and subscribe for more videos.